नमस्कार।
Very pleasant and beautiful morning. लास्ट मोमेंट कुछ काम रह गया, खत्म करके तैयार है गोइंग डाउन। प्रणाम है एक दूसरे को, कनेक्ट है एक दूसरे के साथ और फिर नेचर के साथ, निसर्ग के साथ। आफ्टर स्ट्रेचिंग, लुकिंग अप, in this process slowly start stimulating all different facial muscles, facial organs, सभी sides में देखते हैं। And then with closed eyes, looking inward, straight backward, base form, longer breathing. Naturally अपने आप तो ब्रीदिंग चलता ही है. With awareness, exhale longer. We bring that clarity in the mind when we release the clutter, and simplest way, focus on exhale, controlled and longer. And now we know here onward for at least 1 hour we are with self, within self. जब क्लटर दूर होके, क्लाउड्स दूर होके एक क्लैरिटी मिलता है विचारों को, accordingly it works on our brain, in our body, on our body, also the mind. With that faith, let's join hands for prayer. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Punaktu Saha Viryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
The very essence of this prayer brings us to clarity that what is that I am looking at. Tejasvina Vaditamastu. Let my journey be happening towards the Tejas, the brighter.
Instead of joining feet or be separate, let's see how can we maintain that posture without support. And then join hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of Naak. Kapalbhati was clear. Pressure हाथों का है and separated feet है.
Join from the fingertip, feel that softer posture.
परफेक्ट योग का मोमेंट है ये. आसन भी है, प्राणायाम भी है और मन और बुद्धि है, इसलिए वो दोनों को मेंटेन भी रख पाते हैं. हाथों पे जितना टाइट प्रेशर दे सकते दीजिएगा. स्ट्रेट बैक बोन, फीट सेपरेटेड, गैप है पैरों में, एंड ट्राई एंड टच योर नीज ऑन द ग्राउंड. Fingers pointing up. In a way, elbows are stretched out. Shoulders properly stretched. Chest region. क्या स्ट्रेच और एक्सपेंशन वो आपका खुद का एक्सपीरियंस है. Nicely doing, प्रवीण सर, सुधीर सर. Deeper muscles of our inner thighs, deeper muscles of our hip joint, hip socket, we have energized through this stretch. Bringing one leg nearer to groin, another leg lift and touch the toe to ear. Change the leg, pull inside that folded leg, raise your other, touch your toe to ear. No forehead, no nose. Side में है, angle में है, raise the leg up and touch toe to ear.
And the leg is going to the ear, not otherwise.
Every time change the leg so that वो एक बीच में स्टेप भी है. नहीं तो हम थोड़ा सा मशीन की तरह कर लेते हैं. Initially only toe is touching to ear, then try and raise leg up, touching heel to ear.
Wait.
Very nice. Radically.
Good, Akash sir. Keeping the upper part steady.
Very
Understand the new set of muscles in the thighs. Why we do different postures? It is because the body is so very complex, and so is the mind.
Good, Vidya ma'am. Mamta ma'am. When we raise the leg up, touch heel to ear, see the adjustment of your body. Shoulders देखिए, दोनों हाथ देखिए. Just 3 inches, 4 inches के लिए कैसे हमारी बॉडी एडजस्ट अलाइन करती है वो देखिए. And smoothly try and touch your heel to ear, which is impossible when we try. And rock him up. Nicely doing, Anita ma'am, Prajakta ma'am. And I'm happy everyone holding leg from inside and then pulling up. First leg go up, then it is touching to ear.
Excellent, Sharmishta ji.
जो टेंशन टाइटनेस थोड़ा शोल्डर्स पे नेक पे दिया है तो उसको देते हैं एक फ्री मूवमेंट. पुट हैंड्स ऑन द थाइज, ग्रोइन and move your elbows front and back like butterfly. Initially one breath, one kriya, then in one breath 3 to 4 times kriya. So exhale में भी same count रहेगा. Nice, Suhasa, Supriya ma'am. In a way, control of our arms, stretching, tightening connections with thoracic, with cervical. And that too with breathe in and breathe out. And then let's go in the Siddhasana for second kriya. प्रणमुद्रा है, वातक्रम का पलभति है. Raise your arm up from the shoulder. हाथ नीचे रख के ऐसा मूवमेंट नहीं है, पोस्चर नहीं है. Raise your elbow up, keeping facing the center, not going towards the arm.
The rhythm and the pace of this Kriya is yours.
Nicely doing, Veena ma'am. And bringing more and more clarity in our thoughts by focusing on that perfect rhythm of breathing and breathe out. रिदम है, आवाज है, कंटिन्यूटी है, तो विचारों को स्कोप नहीं डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए, तो वो और भी what we are doing with our own self, with the physical body, with the mental body, वो और भी क्लैरिटी आता है.
Prajakta ji, face in center. Doing it nice, Veena ma'am. Without mentioning about it, everybody is doing the Tribandh very nicely. And we all understand Tribandh, shoulders will not get squeezed upwards. They are pushed down and you're taking the chin to the collar.
But the hands, fingers inward turn, pressed with the ground, raise your one of the leg up. Take it on the same side. You bring it back and up. Well, coordinated movement with pranayama we do, so we know clearly what is happening with the muscles, with the joints, with internal organs.
Wonderful, Aruna ji.
Nice, Sucheta ma'am, Sudhir sir. और ऐसे ही एडजस्टमेंट अलाइनिंग लाइक घर में होके एक दूसरे को स्पेस देना भी और स्पेस लेना भी, वो भी जरूरी है. सिर्फ देते रहना वो ठीक नहीं, लेना भी उतना इम्पोर्टेंट है. जितना पैरों पर रेज हो सकता है पूरा करिए and bring it back.
It's not touching at the farther end.
पहले इनवर्ट स्ट्रेच दिया हमने फर्स्ट वार्म अप में, अभी एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रेच है. अंडरस्टैंड मसल्स ऑफ योर लेग्स टिल फूट.
दोनों मोशन है, ऊपर भी जाना है और बाजू में जितना जा सकते उतना जाना है.
Then release, relax.
Very nicely, Praveena ji.
Good, भाग्यश्री मैम. थोड़ा जॉब कम चलेगा, हमें मुंबई वाला ट्रेन तो नहीं पकड़ना है. More than hip distance in both legs. Firmly pressed on the ground from heel to hip, toes pointed up. Clasp the fingers, raise your hands up. And third kriya, release breath through the mouth. Dhokan kriya. हाथ पूरे ऊपर स्ट्रेच, एंटी ग्रेविटी पुल ऑन बैकबोन, दंडासन है।
ऑल ओके सुप्रिया जी।
Very nice. And Jagdish sir, Mamta ma'am. Complete physical structure. And I'm like, oh, she is very much tight. And we are able to circulate energy in prana, my kosha.
Good, Dr. Jagdish sir.
Just observe the posture. Automatically we are tightening our मूलाधार चक्र, स्वादिष्ठान चक्र, मणिपुर को तो पूरा एक्सरसाइज ही दे रहे, स्टिमुलेशन ही दे रहे। And stretch on anahata vishuddhi, and then upper to also ajna and sahasrara.
Your lips are rounded, and every time when you breathe out, your cheeks go inside, and then they fill up the air again. Nice, Hardik sir.
Good, Swapna ma'am. Even observe which all muscles are touching to the ground. Even backside of our knees is tightly touching the ground. Calf hamstring तो 100% है.
सुहास सर, आपका कैमरा आपके सुप्रिया मैम के राइट में चलेगा थोड़ा सा।
And we are ready for asana. पैरों में और भी डिस्टेंस बढ़ा सकते हैं। With breath with the hands up. With breathe out on your right leg and go towards left. Hold the toe. Look at it. And longer breathing. 5, 7. Slowly pull down, forehead touching to me.
There's a twist of one of the legs. The toe is turning inside.
Inhale, raise your hands up. Come back in the center and then turn. Back to position समझिएगा क्या है. Raise your both the hands up. Turn and touch your toe, knee on the ground. And then go on the other side. Hold your toe. Look ahead fast. 5 to 7 breath. And same count. Going down.
Nicely doing, Praveen ji. बहुत प्यार से. Give very smooth movements. We should have a clarity that the muscles are like rubber bands. They have to be stretched very slowly.
And just give one thought to the body, to the mind, as if you are dancing. पूरा पैर टर्न किया, hip joint से, knee touching, calf, shin bone touching, toe touching on the ground, and then going towards. Yes, you got it, Mamta ma'am. Looking at it first. What is expansion on backbone, cervical, wrist, and then down. Yes.
घुटना टच करने के लिए थोड़ा बेंड हो सकता है.
पूरा पैर ट्विस्ट कर रहे हैं ना, प्रवीण सर. It's turning, twisting from hip joint, from groin, touching inner side of our leg to the ground. Yes, got it perfect, Rakhi ma'am. and we know we have clear thoughts what all I want to do. Or it till innermost channel, or it till the core for purification. Hmm?
Seemingly simple आसन. वीना मैम की स्माइल ने प्यार से कीजिए, आराम से कीजिए, एंजॉय कीजिए. Have that beautiful smile on your face.
After break, just to go slow. Suddenly expect नहीं करिएगा कि पूरा जब मैं पहले तो करती थी अभी क्यों नहीं होगा. जो हो रहा है वो जरूर करिए. So everyone's favorite, particularly Suhas's favorite, Madhukasan. Breathing complete with breathe out. Go ahead. Looking at the sky. Exhale long, long and long. क्या बढ़िया प्राजक्ता जी, प्रवीणा जी. सिर्फ एक स्वर जो है, बीज मंत्र जो है, रू वाला नहीं ना एक्टिवेट हुआ. दैट इज स्माइल. कहीं भी नहीं है, कहीं भी नहीं है. सो ब्रीदिंग कंप्लीट विद ब्रीथ आउट. गो डाउन, elbows press down. Still looking up. Center location into your small intestine, large intestine. सभी को स्ट्रेच भी, टाइटनेस भी, ब्यूटिफुली डूइंग. आकाश शर्मिष्ठा मैथ. And then third iteration Vayu-Kumbhak. Exhale thorough, hold the breath, whatever duration you can. Nicely doing. Kirti ma'am, Vikas sir. Very good. Aruna ma'am. Anita ma'am. डायरेक्ट प्रेशर हम एब्डोमिनल पोर्शन में भी देते हैं. ये क्लीनिंग, क्लींजिंग, स्टिमुलेशन करके देखिएगा. अंतर कुंभक के साथ है. फोर्थ स्टेप जो है मंडूकासन का, कि हम लंबी सांस भरेंगे विदाउट एक्सेल गोइंग डाउन एंड होल्डिंग द ब्रेथ. साथ में त्रिबंध भी है. अंतर कुंभक में प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. इवन फेशियल ऑर्गन्स में भी केयरफुली करिए. कुछ लगा सही नहीं है तो रिलैक्स करना इज
Looking up, looking up.
बेस्ट एंड कंपल्सरी.
It is like mantra that everything works, but then there is some particular mantra which attracts a particular deity. Mandukasana is like that. You are doing everything else. Definitely it helps. When you do
और 90
Mandukasana,
डिग्री एंगल फ्रॉम फुट टू नी टू हिप, दोनों पैरों का 90 डिग्री एंगल. Both the hands are joined in Namaskar Mudra, and then stretch your back. Look back, look at your palms.
how does balancing happen? है ना हार्दिक सर?
लोअर बॉडी बिल्कुल मूवमेंट नहीं है, neither going in front and not going back. 90 डिग्री एंगल वैसे ही मेंटेन रखा हुआ दोनों पैरों में.
दोनों हाथ स्ट्रेच्ड है.
Both the palms are joined in Namaskar Mudra.
प्राजक्ता
And
जी.
then elbow straight and stretching back and looking at your own palms. With increased time and duration, just understand the structures, expansion, endocrine system, backbone, धीरे धीरे लंबर लोअर बैक मसल्स वो भी एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं स्ट्रेच. ऊपर अपने हाथों को देखना है, see the way head going up, expansion on throat, thyroid glands.
Understand the change in Virasana today.
Doing Anita ma'am.
Do smile and balance yourself. Experience good stretch on the stomach. Compression of the lumbar. Looking at your closed palms in Namaskar Mudra.
Very nice, Mamta ma'am. So knee to toe, flat touching, back foot, back leg, and front foot पग बंद है. And just from lower back it is stretching upper body. Nicely doing, Jagdish sir. Very good, Supriya ma'am, Subhas sir. Big hand to you, Sudhir sir. Only do with care, otherwise खड़े होके करिए. Great, Veena ma'am, Pradipta ji.
And the breathing is slow, long and deep, not like Kapalbhati. So 6 breaths, 7 breaths means it's going to take a little longer. Excellent, nicely done. Aruna ji.
बहुत अच्छे. हाथ सीधे हो सकते हैं तो करिएगा. Elbow straight.
And as usual, our theme is we have to get back to landing properly.
So here different steps. With inhale, raise your hands up, keep distance in both legs. With exhale, put the hands on the knees. Knees are slightly bent. And then raise your one of the leg back.
Your knees are bent in the beginning, and then you are taking
Balance
the
है,
other leg.
control है, knees bent है, and then slowly raise one of the leg back.
Knee straight, the other knee straight. This is a little bent.
डिस्टेंस भी है थोड़ा पैरों में, बिल्कुल साथ में नहीं है. There's a balance on one of the foot. Stretch one leg, knee straight, look down. Longer breathing, and everyone doing perfect.
How does the balancing circuit change? Moment you keep the knee bent compared to keeping the knee straight.
Good, Hardik sir. Very nice, Vidya ma'am. So balance, control, stretch, and your own experience. Every day we understand, we experience that how those 84 lakhs asanas are invented or made. हम हर दिन कुछ छोटा करते हैं तो आसन नया तो बन ही जाता है. इफेक्ट भी माइंड पे है तो बॉडी पे भी.
We have that clarity in our mind that every day has to be different. It has to be new, and it has to be something which everyone can do, enjoy, and smile.
Giving stimulation to Muladhara chakra. Both thighs are tight, growing with tightness. Folded leg going beyond the thigh. Toe pointing down and join your both the hands at the back side in Namaskar Mudra. Realize that combination पहले में जो एक्सपेंशन स्ट्रेच फ्रंट बेंडिंग था, यहाँ पे स्थिरता है एंड कंप्रेशन है.
Try to keep both the thighs together. है ना विकास सर? Doing it right. Today we are doing it little compression here.
पीछे हाथ जितने उठ सकते हैं. Your heart, your pulse is touching to your heartbeat. Be aware of even foot, your toe, which is pointing down. विकास सर कैमरा थोड़ा आपके राइट साइड में चलेगा, so that the man will be visible. और जितने ऊपर उठ सकते उठाइएगा. Very gracefully doing. Rakhi man, nice, Swapna man. Our backbone straight, neither bending ahead nor going back. नेचुरल काउ जो आएगा लंबर का हाथ ज्वाइन करने की वजह से और पैर उठाने की वजह से उतना ही है.
बहुत अच्छे विद्या मैम. Very nice.
Aruna ji, allow your leg to go ahead. Both thighs are touching to each other. Yes, and toe pointing down, not parallel to ground. छोटा एक और अटेंशन और डिफरेंट सेट्स ऑफ मसल चाहिए, इसलिए वो गाइडेंस है. अदरवाइज करेक्ट पोस्चर. Nicely doing. Suhasana. Realize your knee ligaments, knee joint, inner thighs, hamstring. So we will location tight stretch and that way strengthening and release. Also namaskar.
अच्छे से किया भाग्यश्री जी. आपको रिलैक्स कर सकते.
मंत्रोच्चार के साथ फर्स्ट वन. Palms together, feet together. Let's bring that clarity in mind. We are surrendering to that superpower and connecting with that inner strength, starting together.
Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khadaya Namaha. Om Pushme Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marityaya Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitri Namaha. Om Arikaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
With few moments of silence within, starting second half.
Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Khadaya Namaha. Om Pushme Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marityaya Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkaaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha.
With pure and clear mind, we are going in Sarvangin Surya Namaskar. Going in flow and starting together with Uttanasana and then Tadasana. On toes, pull up, stretch up, fingertips tight, touching to sky. Heels touching, going down with the palms touching on the ground, going on toes, looking up, continuous breathing, knees straight, head down, if possible, forehead touching to knees. Left leg stretch back in Ashwa Sanchalan. Great. Now head down and raise your straight leg up from the ground. Bringing toe on the ground. Standing firm on both legs. Twist the body. Namaskar Mudra and looking back. Elbow pressing knee on the abdomen. Great. Hands on the ground. Adho Krishwanasana. Left leg raised up. Fold, look up. Same folded leg, bring ahead and forehead touching the ground. Going up in Vyagrasana. Bringing leg down, knees on the ground. Going back in Shashankasana. Ashtangasana. Till Nabhi, Bhujangasana. Elbows spread on the side, legs together. It's not Saril Hasana. Legs together, pull towards the body, both feet. Knees together. Legs straight. Going back in Shashankasana. Adho Krishwanasana. Right leg raised up. Vyagrasana, fold the leg, face up.
Let the folded leg be on the same line of hips, not on the sides.
Folded leg coming ahead in between palms, forehead touching the ground. हर एक आसन में ठहराव है, ब्रीदिंग है. Right leg raised up in a Vyagrasana. Great. Leg straight and bring it up. Left leg. Ashwasancha. Standing. Left hand pressing the right knee. Full double. Right hand pressing left knee on the abdomen, twisting back. Breathe Namaskar. Hands on the ground. Raise the leg up. Toe down. Ashwasanchalan. Hasta Padasana. Sitting down, looking up, palms flat, knee straight, Uttanasana and Tadasana. Look up. Back to Namaskar Mudra. Release, relax physically, mentally, also psychologically. Straight भी है, front bending भी है, twist भी है, pressure भी है, SIA, सर्वांगीण सूर्य नमस्कार. Going for second half, Uttanasana and Tadasana. Pull up. Heels touching, going down. नीचे जाने का प्रोसेस वही, बट से नीचे जाना है. And then going on toes, arms flat, looking ahead, knee straight, Hasta Padasana. And right leg straight back, Ashwa Sanchala. And now, raise your right leg up. Going down in Ashwasana. Standing up. Pressing left knee on the abdomen with the elbow. Looking back. Great. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And right leg raised up completely. Vyabhrasana, pull the foot towards the body, face up. Bring folded leg in between knees, forehead touching the ground. Going up in the Vyabhrasana. Face up, look up. Leg down. Knees on the ground. Going back in Shashangasana. Ashtangasana. Bhujangasana, Tiltanaki. Folded leg towards the body.
Smile on the face, missing that.
Straight. Going back in Shashangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg raised up. Fold, look up. Folded leg ahead. Forehead touching to ground. Face up, leg up. Leg straight and bring it down. Right leg Ashwasana. इतने सही ट्यून हुए हैं सभी, बहुत ही अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. Press the thigh on the abdomen, look back, twist back. Now bringing hands on the ground. Now raise your left leg up. Down. Hasta Padasana. Utkatasana. Purna Pavan Muktasana. Knees straight. With your hands up. Go on toes. Tadasana. Come back to Anjali Mudra with closed eyes. Inner happiness and full confidence. हमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है, सिर्फ आसन के लिए नहीं तो अपने लाइफ के लिए भी. एनीथिंग वी कैन डू इट सक्सेसफुली और कॉन्फिडेंटली. ये हमारे विचार वही तो हमसे काम करवाते हैं. लाइंग ऑन बैक. Listen up, heel to head, right to left, complete Paschim side touching to ground. Experience Bandhan in overall complete self, not only physical body, मन में भी वो subtle vibrations है, खुशी के है, acceptance के है, विश्वास के है. Clasp the fingers, put the hands under the head. Our body still steady. Just observe steps of asana. Both legs together first. Raise up. Feet join, spread the knees and go slowly towards the ground. मैं पैर ऊपर उठाए, अभी जमीन में टच करना है. Form that beautiful arch of backbone. Both knees are touching on the ground. Feet to each other. Then raise your right knee up. Allow it touch to left knee. Be there for another same count of breath. Coming up. Both knees touching on the ground. Then raise your left knee up. Touch to right. Expansion है, compression है, twist है. पूरे lower body पे काम करना है. Feet together. Knees touching on the ground. And then raise your both the legs in 90 degrees. And bring them down. कितनी स्टेप से देखिएगा. स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाते हैं तो कोई कंफ्यूजन है ही नहीं. क्लैरिटी है हर स्टेप में. फर्स्ट बोथ लेग्स इन 90 degrees. Then Baddha Konasana, Titali Asana wala posture. Feet together, knees straight. Allow your legs to touch to Mother Earth.
The landing has to be smooth. Understand, moment you try to touch the knees, there is a curve in the back. This curve is giving a very beautiful massage to your complete lower back.
Right knee raised up, touching to left knee. Kati Chakrasana.
बहुत अच्छे.
And it's not a one breath, one asana. One asana at least 7 to 10 breathing. Smooth stretches, subtle movements. Experience complete lower body. Working on lumbar, working on groin, our excretory system, reproductive system, and हर एक आसन में ब्रीदिंग है, ये देखिएगा। स्टेप्स ज्यादा है इसलिए जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करो, एक एक ब्रेथ के साथ नहीं करिएगा, क्योंकि ये अभी लास्ट आसन है, तो दिल से पूरा समर्पण। वेरी नाइस, ऑलमोस्ट देयर। विकास knee touching to knee. And everyone got all steps correct. आप भी मानते होंगे कि जब समर्पण है, विश्वास है, तो डाउट नहीं रहता, क्लैरिटी है विचारों में, एक्सेप्टेंस में। आफ्टर रिपीटेशन ऑफ आसन में भी 2 बार हुआ होगा, क्योंकि स्टेप्स ज्यादा है। जस्ट रिलैक्स इन शवासन। Strengthening, stretching, stimulation, so many activities in one आसन। जैसे सर्वांगीण सूर्य नमस्कार था, वैसे ही यहाँ पे हमने लोअर बॉडी को स्ट्रेच भी दिया, कंप्रेशन भी दिया, स्ट्रेच टाइटनेस भी था, कंट्रोल भी था, कोर स्ट्रेंथ भी था। रिलैक्सिंग शवासन। Both legs in hip distance, hands on the side, palm facing up. Align the backbone, back muscles. Comfortable cervical posture. And a relaxed facial muscles, facial organs. Then only slowly, subtly our brain start relaxing. कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा जरूरत ब्रेन को मैसेज मिलाना, तो वो 100% एक्टिव हो जाता है। So here we want to give that message to even brain, our body, relaxing and regenerating. तो रिलैक्स मीन्स रुकना नहीं, तो ठहराव है इस प्रोसेस में। कभी देखा है क्या हमने, निसर्ग की एक्टिविटीज रुक जाती है। पृथ्वी का गोल घूमना, रात होना, दिन होना, सूरज निकलना, चांद निकलना, कभी देखा है हमने उनको रुकते हुए? वैसे हमारे शरीर का एक फंक्शन उसी तरह से चलता ही रहता है, स्लो हो जाता है। नेचर वो भी नहीं करता, स्लो एंड फास्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं, उसका तो एक ही रिदम है। But according to stimulation, our body walks. Let's do 7 to 10 times pranayam in this portion. Breathe in through the nose. Allow your breath to reach till the bottom of your abdomen. And exhale through the mouth, and it is reaching till the head. Means exhale पेट से शुरू हुआ तो हेड तक जाना है, not till only nose. आवाज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आएगा। Try to do equal length. Breathe in and deeper, exhale through the mouth. Initial few iteration will be till Muladhara. Then just experience air coming in, spreading till the feet, till the fingertips, and going out all toxins from feet, from tips. till head, means फिर पूरा शरीर, just experience like it is a balloon, air coming in, air going out. After few iteration, you will experience that it's not only external stretch, it is also internal stretch, whether it's physical body, whether it's mind. क्योंकि हम वो ब्रेथ को भी तो एक्सपांड कर रहे हैं ना, whether inhale or exhale. With every breathing cycle, experience oxygen inhale, giving strength and life to every cell. And with every exhale, just experience toxins, negativities going out deeply and relaxing thoroughly till the core. Pranayama, breathing technique, it's a magic for our body. सही ब्रीदिंग किया तो इश्यूज आते नहीं, आए तो क्योर होते हैं या कंट्रोल हो जाते हैं. थकान हुई तो रुक के नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग जरूर करिए एंड स्टार्ट अगेन. रिफ्रेश तो तब लगता है जब एक्सेल सही होके मैक्सिमम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल जाता है. Very nice. Complete this iteration in the same posture. We are reciting Omkar 5 times. Okay, evenly वो ओमकार के वाइब्रेशंस पूरे नर्वस सिस्टम में हम स्प्रेड करना चाहते हैं. Breathing complete with breathe out. Recite Omkar 5 times together. With fully relaxed and recharged complete personality. Bring palms together in front of your chest, rub them tight. Bring awareness in every tissue, every cell. Put the palms on the eyes in the same posture. Now raise your hands above the head and then turn on the abdomen. Shirsashtang Namaskar. Turn on the abdomen. Full stretch. Toe to fingertips. And then slowly sit back. Good. Everyone sitting back in different ways. Someone turning one side, someone going on knees, and every posture is correct. Hari Om. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place.
What clarity you want to bring in our routine? Keep that as an observation when you write Swadhyay. And Swadhyay this week, it can be in audio so that you don't have to type. You just speak. Moment you finish the session, it is good that if you can take out time of 1.5 minutes, not even 2.
At times वो लिखने में आलस आता है ना क्योंकि टाइम लग जाता है कि के लिखना. See you tomorrow, same time.